Oh, hello everybody, and welcome to another video of our channel. I'm Hoàng Anh, a teacher at the IELTS Workshop. Do you often find yourself freezing or your mind's going blank when answering unfamiliar, infrequently asked topics like maps? If yes, please watch till the end to learn some ideas and language for your IELTS speaking exam. Let's make a start. Yes, I routinely consult maps, especially digital ones like Google Maps. The service enables me to reach my destinations nice and fast, either by suggesting shortcuts or giving me alerts of heavy traffic ahead. These alerts actually helped me get to this exam center today in plenty of time because I avoided hitting a ton of traffic en route. Of course I do. Whenever I go on adventures off the beaten track, I always make sure to pack a print topographical map of the area so that I won't get lost if my phone dies or there's no signal. I also need to bring a compass because I'm directionally challenged. I remember forgetting it once, and as I was trying to get out of the woods, I ended up going in circles. I use maps on my smartphone every time I head out to an unfamiliar place in my city, Hanoi. The maps give voice directions so I can follow them both eyes-free and hands-free to drive safely. Also, there are real-life photos so I can use to preview my surroundings, which I always take advantage of to find and take the most scenic routes. Yes, I keep a wall map of the world, a globe, and a few atlases at home. And once per week, I just casually browse through them to explore geography like nations, time zones, continents, or flags. In fact, when my friend Jane was on the show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, I gave her the correct answer on the nation that the equator passes to crack question number 10. So those are the answers for the IELTS speaking questions about maps. What are some other topics that you would like me to cover in future videos? Please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to prepare for them. That's all from me for today. I'll see you the next time.